What's up, YouTube? Reg Fox if you know me, Star Fox if you don't. And I'm here with an unboxing of a new joint I just picked up. As you can see, it's that Nike. This is the box, size 8.5, and there you go. That's the Air VaporMax 97. This was released on the 12th of April 2018. Just got it in the mail today. Got it from that Nike app. It is sold out now. And that's that silver bullet right there. There you go. So this is the hybrid from the original 97s, but it has the VaporMax bubble on the bottom. Right there, got your silver lining, red check, Air Max on the back. This is the other side right here, another red check. And notice the pattern, the white and the silver. That's the way it looks from the front. There you go. Got the bubble pattern right there. As you can see, there is no midsole. This fire. That's the tongue right there. Put that down. That's the other pair. Now these ran me about $190 plus tax. So you're looking at about $206 total. I believe they are sold out though, I'm not sure. When the light hits these patterns right here, it'll glow in the dark. But that's the hybrid. What y'all think about these? Got a few ways to rock these I'm thinking about. Definitely gonna pop off for the summer, springtime. Alright, I know y'all want to see what it look like on feet, so I'm gonna go ahead and put it on feet, but I just wanted to show you guys the new pickup. If y'all see my other video, y'all seen the Air Maxes. This is the VaporMax 97. That's the dolphin face right there. That's that dolphin. All gray everything. Alright, VaporMax on the inside. And just to get you with the tongue. Y'all want to see the laces? Of course you do. 1 second. Part of me doing this one hand. And this is the lace right here. Nice gray pattern. With your standard, whatever that lace is. Alright, so there we go. VaporMax 97s. I'm gonna pause the video and show you what it look like on feet.